Today I'm going to make a cheesy pasta casserole. Okay, first of all, I want to ask y'all how y'all doing this morning. I hope your day is good. If not, it can get better. Okay. All right. What I'm doing now, I'm showing you all my ingredients. Okay, y'all know I buy the big rolls of ground beef and I separate it and freeze it. So I have maybe about a pound, maybe a couple of pounds of ground beef. And I got some petite diced tomatoes, some cream of chicken, some chicken broth. That I may not need that. I just got it there just in case. I got some Creole seasoning. If you don't want to use a Creole seasoning, you don't have to. I got some about a tablespoon of onion and garlic powder and a half a tablespoon of black pepper. And I'm going to show y'all this. This is something new that Velveeta have brought out. It's a they call mini blocks. So you don't have to cut all your cheese up and then you have to find somewhere to store it. But these already are packaged, as y'all can see, in small packages. Okay, little small blocks. Okay, I also have some chopped onion and chopped bell peppers. And I got some more cheese back there. You can use cheddar cheese, whatever kind of cheese you want to use. And you can also use the elbow macaroni, or you can use the thin spaghetti. Okay? Any kind of pasta you want to use. If you want to use the spirals, if you want to use the bow ties, whatever kind of pasta you want to use, you can use it. I got the cream of chicken. Trying to make sure I got everything. And if you don't want to chop up the onions and bell peppers, okay, Walmart has a diced tomatoes with green peppers, celery, and onion. You can use that. Then you don't have to do any chopping. That's if you want to. But me, I prefer to have my onions and bell peppers chopped up. And as you can see, I have broken I'm going to use the spaghetti. And y'all can see I broke them up in little small pieces. And I'm getting ready to add them to my water. Okay, my boiling water. Okay. Okay, as y'all see here, I have put my my ground beef in this skillet. Okay, I'm getting ready to add my green peppers and onions. And I'm also adding my trio with the onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Okay. Y'all, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay, now I'm adding some of my Creole seasoning. Okay. You add as much as little as you want. Okay. And I'm going to brown this with the vegetables. Okay, as y'all can see, my ground beef is cooking. I got it cooking. Okay, you cook this until you no longer see pink. As y'all can see, there's some pink still in the ground beef. So you cook and cook until you no longer see the pink of the meat. Okay. Okay, now as y'all see, I no longer see any pink in my meat. What I'm getting ready to do now, I'm getting ready to drain. I'm getting ready to drain my meat. Okay, as y'all can see, I have drained my pasta and I have added my ground beef to this. And I'm also getting ready to add my tomatoes. Okay, now I'm adding my tomatoes, my petite tomatoes. Let me get y'all over here where y'all may can see better. Okay, put it over here. And maybe you can see better. Okay, we're going to stir this up. Mix all of this up. Okay, now I'm getting ready to add my cream of chicken. Cream of chicken. Okay. I got another can, y'all. I decided to use 2 cans. Like I told y'all, sometimes I end up making a lot of this, not trying to. Sometimes I end up making a lot of it. Okay, so I'm going to stir this up. Okay, as y'all can see, I have removed my Velveeta cheese out of the little packages, the little blocks, and now I have chopped them up, and I'm going to add these to my spaghetti mixture. Okay, now I'm working my cheese in this pasta mix and meat mixture. Just mix it just as good as you can, okay? Just because you want it all. Want the cheese to, melt all throughout. Because the Velveeta cheese is going to melt. And so you want it to melt, just as evenly as you can. Okay. Like I said, instead of 2 of the little blocks, I use 3. Because I want my casserole to really be creamy. I want it to be creamy. Okay. And as y'all see, I have my... Okay. As y'all see, I have my pan here. This is what I'm going to put my spaghetti in. Okay. And if you want to, you don't have to do like I'm doing. You can always add shredded cheese, any kind of cheese you want to add to this dish, because if you like me, you like yours cheesy, and that's the way I'm doing. I got like I say, this package of Velveeta cheese. Like I say, you can use cheddar, you can use whatever kind you want, but this Velveeta is the only kind I had on hand. That's why I'm using it today. Okay, now this is the time for you to taste your pasta. Because sometimes this is what I do. I would taste it. Y'all, I got a fly in my kitchen, and I'm trying to get rid of him. Okay. You can always add extra Creole seasoning, because that's what I do. I'm going to let me taste it first. Let me taste it. Because I already know I'm going to add some more Creole seasoning. Yes, I'm going to add some more. Okay, because I want it to have a certain taste to it. I went to my sister's retirement party. They had for her on a job, and someone brought something similar to this. And I asked her for the recipe, but she never gave it to me. But I took it home and tasted it real good, and I got it, y'all. I found out the recipe. I may not have it exactly like hers, but this is close to it. And I wanted to share this with you all. Okay? And you just keep tasting until it's seasoned. And I know it's well seasoned now since I added that Creole seasoning. But if you don't like yours hot, you can use just a regular seasoning salt. But I like that little hint of heat to mine. And so that's why I'm using the Creole seasoning. Okay. Now I'm getting ready to put it in the pan. Okay, now I'm adding my pasta to my silver pan. Like I say, y'all, I'm using one hand. One hand doing this. Okay. Okay. You just move it around. Let me get over here so y'all can see it real good. Just move it around in the pan. See, I told y'all I always make a whole lot. Okay. I am so excited about this video. This is a special edition. Something I'm going to add to this video. Y'all ready to hear what I'm getting ready to say? Well, y'all going to have to wait until I put this in the oven and get it out. And then I'm going to share it with you. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm getting ready to add my cheese. Turn this around. I'm ready to add my cheese. Like I say, you can add shredded cheese, whatever type of cheese you want. I did not add cheese in this type of cheese inside, but you can if you want, because I added those blocks, remember? And so you don't need all that unless you want. It's up to you. It's up to you. Okay, now I'm getting ready to put this in a 350-degree oven. All we're doing is letting the cheese melt. Okay, that's all we're doing. And letting that cheese, letting it warm up real good and the cheese melt. Okay, that's all we're waiting on, because everything is ready. Okay. Okay, y'all, I am back, and my spaghetti was in the oven for 20 minutes. I left it in there for 20 minutes, this pasta dish. Okay. I had it on 350 degrees. I'm getting ready to turn that off. And I'm getting ready to plate this up. But first, I got an announcement to make. What I'm going to do this video, this is a special edition video. Where I told y'all when I was going to do a giveaway. Okay, I got 4 sets of these mini kitchen tool sets. I got 4 of them. I went to 2 different places to find these, because I couldn't find them all at one place. But I'm going to give away 4 of them, okay? I'm going to give away 4 of them. This is how it's going to work. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to, okay, at the end of this video, I want y'all to comment. Comment and say giveaway. That's all you got to put on there is giveaway. And I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way. I'm going to write all the names down. And I'm going to get one of my grandkids to draw the names of the 4 people. I'm going to keep shaking them up. And I may even do it live and let y'all see, who won. Afterwards, after we pick the names, I'm going to give y'all my email address, and y'all can send me y'all address. Y'all ain't got to worry about me sharing it with anybody. I won't share it. The only purpose for it is to give y'all these mini tools, okay? And so, y'all, I am very excited. And so after what I'm getting ready to do, now I'm getting ready to plate up my casserole, my cheesy hamburger casserole, okay? So y'all see it? Look here. Ready to plate it up. Look at there. Look at that. Hope that looks good. Yes, y'all, it is good. Y'all, like I said, I thought that lady was going to give me the recipe, but I never seen that lady again. But, let me put a little bit more on here. I just want to show y'all how it looks. Let me bring it up to the light. Can y'all see it? See? See how good it looks? Okay. Well, y'all, I am very excited about the giveaway. And like I said, all you have to do is comment and say giveaway. Okay? You can always, I know a lot of y'all like to speak to me and, give me different comments. And you can. I thank you all for your comments. I just love my subscribers. I have some beautiful subscribers. And I just want to let y'all know that I love you. And I thank you for all the things, all the comments, everything that y'all say. And my daughter said I need to get a P.O. box number. She said, Mom, they may want to send you a card or something. Okay, I will get one soon. I'm going to get a P.O. box soon. Just in case y'all want to send me a card or something. You know what? Y'all don't have to send me anything. Y'all don't have to send me no card. I'm just thankful for y'all watching my videos. Okay, because I don't want it to be too long. I have had comments saying my videos was too long, and I don't want that. Okay, y'all, well, I'm getting ready to close this now. All right. And, well, y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now.